Hi, I'm Sherry Moss. I'm the Associate Dean of MBA programs at Wake Forest, and I'm excited to talk to you about the opportunity that you're about to embark upon. You're going to see and meet all of the regular professors that teach in our on-ground MBA programs. And even though you are in an online MBA program, you will have optional synchronous sessions, and I hope you'll take advantage of the opportunities that are provided to you to meet all of the colleagues that may be from all over the country and even the world in this program. And we also have something that we call One MBA. You will be invited to events that are both in person, like football tailgates, and virtual, like meeting with executives and career-oriented events. In the online MBA, we have all of the core courses that you would have in an MBA program. So we have organizational behavior, and we have operations management, and we have finance and accounting and marketing, and all of those courses. And you will start off with a couple of courses like learning how to work in teams and learning about the purpose of business. And you will end the program with a really important class called Global Strategic Management, where you're going to do a simulation that takes all of the courses that you have taken and puts them all together in a simulation where you compete and you pitch your ideas to venture capitalists. At the same time, you'll have the opportunity to customize your experience by taking one of several concentrations. Right now, our concentrations are leadership and strategy, where you can learn how to be a better leader and strategic thinker. We also have business analytics, where you can learn to not only analyze the data that we have available in society today, but to be a better communicator and to tell the story with that data. And we also have a finance concentration, which is for people who want to dive more deeply into the area of finance. So I hope that you will feel free to reach out to me. You're welcome to call me. You're welcome to reach out and schedule an appointment. So email me, call me anytime, and I'll be happy to chat with you further.